Hello, this is Nick, and this is your Laboratory 2 Minutes. Today what I want to talk to you about is using parafilm. Parafilm is a stretchy substance that comes in rolls like this that you can easily cut off with the scissors. And we use the parafilm to actually seal something like our Petri plates. Because if you remember from before, our Petri plates, this is not an airtight seal. And if you let your plates sit in long enough, they will dry out and become something like a potato chip. And so what you want to do is kind of open up your parafilm. The parafilm is stretchy, put it, stretch it like that. And so what you want to do with the parafilm is kind of seat it on the edge, and then you can do the edge like this. And if you notice, I have a seal around there, and then that way I can also see the material that's written on top, the material that's on the bottom. If I wanted to do a tube, I would do kind of much the same thing. Again, those tubes are not necessarily sealed, and it will over time they would dry out. If you want to do something like that on a tube, you would come to the tube, let it sit like this, and then seal it like this. The parafilm doesn't freeze very well, and it will melt if exposed to high temperatures. And again, you would still have leakage if you put this, so your tube still needs to be going up straight, up and down. All right, that's been your Laboratory 2 Minutes with learning how to use parafilm.